squash bread. Kalabasa. Yan yung 1/2 cup white sugar, 1/4 na cooking oil, 1/4 na melted butter, 2 egg, 1 teaspoon na vanilla. Bago natin i-mix yung lahat to. So, maganda tayo ng dry ingredients. Then, mix lang natin to. At tayo ng evap milk. Konti-konti lang. Napaka-healthy nito guys. Kung yung ating mga anak, hindi natin mapakain ng... So, atin na ngayon ito ililipat sa baking pan. Baking paper. Ano natin to na, i-bake na natin to. Salang na natin, preheated oven of 5 minutes and 40 minutes natin lulutuin. Nasa 150 yung kanyang init. Serve na yung ating ipa-cool down lang natin yung ating bread. Squash bread guys, so yummy, delicious. Slice lang natin. Pwede naman natin palamigin. Sarap ito yung palaban sa butter and tubig guys. So healthy bread. So ito naman guys, atin ngayon imukbang ay ito yung yung bread, kalabasa bread guys. Good to sa mga batang hindi kumakain ng gulay. Try nyo tong recipe na to at very fluffy and healthy na bread. Maganda to at very healthy para sa ating mga anak. Ang kanyang texture so fluffy. At ang lambot niya. Hindi mo malalasahan na may kalabasa siya. Napaka-healthy nito guys. Very healthy. Yummy. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page. If you buy something, please click the yellow basket in my TikTok shop. Bye guys. Thank you.